A supersonic Russian MiG-31 intercepted a U.S. Global Hawk surveillance drone over the Black Sea. The MiG-31's high-speed maneuver forced the drone to return to its base in Italy. This incident raised concerns about potential escalation between the U.S. and Russia. The American spy drone was conducting operations in neutral waters south of Crimea. Claims suggest that the MiG-31 crew's daring flying led to the U.S. controllers aborting the unmanned plane mission, which was linked to the ongoing war in Ukraine. The Russians allege that the Global Hawk was used to direct US-supplied ATACMS missiles to targets in Sevastopol. One of these cluster munition missiles exploded over a crowded beach in Sevastopol, resulting in casualties. The Kremlin accused the U.S. of a direct attack on Russia, further escalating tensions. Moscow threatened retaliation, emphasizing that a response would follow. Pentagon Chief Lloyd Austin communicated with his Russian counterpart Andriy Belousov after the MiG-31 incident. The pro-war fighter bomber Telegram channel provided details, suggesting the MiG-31 encounter was accidental. The video from the channel explained that the MiG-31 flew over the Global Hawk at an exceptionally high speed. There was no opening of fire or use of cannons during this encounter. The lack of coordination between American and Russian flight routes was highlighted. Previous incident and drone down. The MQ-9 Reaper drone downing by a Su-27 in March 2024 strained U.S.-Russia relations. The U.S. criticized the incident as a brazen violation of international law. Among those killed in the ATACMS attack in Sevastopol was Sofia, a 9-year-old girl and daughter of the deputy mayor of Magadan, Oleg Averyanov. This incident underscores the delicate balance between military actions, diplomacy, and civilian lives.